Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for AVAX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Of course, we have bullish and bearish scenarios here on the daily chart, starting with the bearish one, where we probably are looking to a triangle here, A, B, C, D, E. After finishing your wave E towards the upside, you will see the price reverse directly towards the downside as we are looking at it right now. Now, potentially, of course, that you would like to hit as this trend line, of course, which is the only technical support in this chart so far. Breaking this trend line, of course, is a very serious bearish scenario for AVAX, which is not nice to see. However, this possibility is still low to have. So let's move to the highest possibility, which is the bullish scenario here, where you probably have a B, and a C, of course, unfolding toward the upside. Your wave C should be 5 impulsive waves, where you have 1, a 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Finishing, of course, a wave C in 5 impulsive waves, or probably even as a contracting diagonal is totally fine as well. However, we are already in an impulse, as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 ABC probably, and then 1 2 3 4 and a 5 probably, starting another 1 2. So probably this is a double 1 2, and then 3 4 5 4 5 for AVAX to finish this wave C. Now, of course, if we see higher prices than 1 to 1 fib level, so let's, by the way, have our target here for a wave C. Here we go in a zigzag. Our target for the wave C would be, of course, around the 1622, which is, of course, a very high target based on the logarithmic target. Of course, don't be surprised about these numbers, guys. Look at this trend in the logarithmic chart, where we have, of course, where we can have almost the same price. Considering it, of course, from after this correction, we can have almost as the same price action. So yeah, don't be surprised so much if we get to 1000 or even to 225, which is the uncommon target at 0.618 for AVAX. And as you can see, we have already started a wave 1 very massively and very impulsive. In a few days, you have reached from the $8 until the $65 in few days. So yeah, and don't, of course, be surprised if we get even to 1000 one day for AVAX. So, of course, higher than this, I will have to consider this is a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 continuation towards the upside. But of course, we need to reach first the uncommon target and then the common target for AVAX until we start to consider a wave 3 towards the upside. So basically, between this a bearish scenario as triangle and between a bullish scenario as ABC, I prefer, of course, to move to an ABC in probability for a bullish scenario, and we are still looking so far for higher prices, even known that we are looking for lower so far. Now let's move to the 1 hour chart, or the 4 hour chart. Actually, for AVAX would be nicer to see what's going on exactly inside it. As you can see in the inside as this 4 hour chart, we have already a 1 2 3 4 5 finished a contracting diagonal somehow. 1 2 3 4 5. Your wave 5 did not really reach the high, but that is fine for a contracting diagonal. It can be then 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down for a wave 2, perfect. And then having a 1 2 3 4 and a 5 finished a wave 3 here after a 1 2 3, and we are looking to a wave 4, which is potentially finished and potentially not yet, but basically it is finished, it is done, where we have ABC here, ABC, and then 1 2 3 4 5, of course, finished probably, or even 1 2 3 and then ABC 4 and a 5. So maybe we are still looking to finish as this wave C. By all means, you are in A, B, and a C here to finish a wave 4 in the orange scenario. And your wave C is an impulse, of course, after having 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and 1 2 3 A, B, C for your wave 4 in this wave C, and then 1 2 3 4 and a 5, of course, reaching a very low which is not nice to see. Actually, that's something, yeah, that could be something not really nice if we reach. Oh, I already have it. Here we go. Bearish scenario. Yeah, it would be not nice if we reach this level, guys. Yeah, if we reach this bearish scenario signal here at $30 for point 56, that would be an invalidation for your impulse. By all means, you would not like to see that the wave 4 interfere with your wave 1 here and invalidate your impulse. What you would like to see is, at least, of course, even if it touches 0.618, it's still fine, but not interfering with the zone. Just move towards the upside, start to unfold some 5 ways towards the upside, and then 3 ways downside, and of course reaching the high again by confirming that this is a continuation of an impulse towards higher prices. Now, if we go back a little bit to the daily chart, and I would like to provide you with more information why I prefer the bullish than the bearish scenario, where we are looking here that, yeah, if we are in a bullish scenario, for an ABC, you would like to finish this wave C around the 1 to 1 fib time here on the green zone where we are currently, which is the 17th December. However, we did not finish it yet. Now, if I give this more time as a wave 3 over 1, here it gives us, of course, that more time can be given for this impulse or for this bullish scenario to be unfolded onto yeah, even higher than the 1 to 1 fib level. So I think that yeah, definitely that probably we are still looking for higher, because both scenarios, if you are looking for wave 3, you still want to hit this wave 3 on September 2025, while you are, if you are in a wave C of a zigzag, you would like to already finish that wave C so far right now in 27 December and after. However, 1.618 is still a common target or fib time, but yeah, not common like the 1 to 1 fib time, but it still can be, of course. Now, for a triangle, of course, it's still an optional where we still have a triangle here. However, I still think that even if we get lower, AVAX cannot really break lower than this, or maybe even lower than this trend as a final option, and then start to move towards the upside. So as bullish bearish ratio, would you like sell this rather than taking this? Yeah, so this is what I'm talking about with AVAX. It's preferably, of course, to be bullish sooner or later, because even if it goes down this small amount, of course, I think this will be directly reflected towards the upside, finish a correction and start an impulse directly in case we are in a correction. But I still believe much higher possibility is ABC towards the upside. And looking at KGT, of course, for AVAX, yes, we have AVAX here. I have a code for AVAX developed, of course, as well, between the 13 coins, including, of course, Bitcoin. You can find it as well in the details in the description if you're interested to have KGT. So as you can see here, we have already a buy signal, and that is a good thing. It tells us, of course, that the buyers are entering at this point. Now, the thing is, yeah, we have even bullish CVDs now just created, by the way. We just got a bullish CVD where you have two bullish signals. The last two bullish signals here, this one is lower than the previous one, while on the price action, you have this price higher than the previous one, creating a divergence. Perfect signal for, of course, bullish CVD and moving towards the upside. Now, if we see here the bearish as well, I mean, yeah, the bearish even are working, as you can see in this top. And this top here, we have two bearish signals, which the price action also moving lower, which is kind of a convergence, and that is a good signal as well for bearish. By all means, we are both bullish and bearish range in AVAX. I would say like the market is very, actually it is obvious even from the price action that we can see the range, how it is moving sideways. and that, yeah, is reflected as well with the bullish and bearish CVD signals. However, if you want to get even much more closer, let's see the 3 minute. If we get a little bit much more detailed CVDs here, yes, okay, need to calculate more. The more we zoom out, of course, the more we get information and calculation for the volumes. But yeah, I think that the bullish CVD is becoming stronger and stronger, knowing that there is a lot of pressure in the bearish, as you can see, and all of them are conversions. However, this is a very big divergence here for the bullish. So let's see how it might unfold. So I think once we finish here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as explained, we might start to see, guys, higher prices. I think that we might start to see higher prices. Yes, exactly. This is what's gonna happen once we take the low, guys. So this is confirm our scenario, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once we take the low here, it's gonna move towards the upside, guys. It's gonna be, of course, a wave 4 finished, and then wave 5 towards the upside. Definitely, this is what we are looking for. We are looking to finish this wave 4, and then, of course, moving towards the upside. So I would say target is 31, $32 for AVAX, and of course start to move towards the upside. Now a better signal is to get 5 waves up, 3 waves down, continuation towards the upside, breaking the top here, confirmation of an entry point, and of course explosion towards the upside. Definitely. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.